Welcome to the heart of the nation, where history meets innovation. I'm Miranda Damaris. I'm the Senior Program Coordinator for CAUSES SNAP-Ed program and your host for Deep Dive with CAUSES this month. CAUSES is the University of the District of Columbia's College of Agriculture, Urban Sustainability, and Environmental Sciences. SNAP-Ed, or the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program Education, is an evidence-based nutrition education and obesity prevention program. SNAP-Ed helps strengthen the nutrition literacy of individuals and families using or eligible for SNAP benefits. With a focus on underserved wards in the District of Columbia, UDC's SNAP-Ed conducts nutrition workshops and food demonstrations. The program also provides obesity prevention supports and technical assistance in various settings across the city.
I enjoy the Taste of Eating Right program because I'm a foodie and I like cooking and dealing with recipes. And Chef Herb has made it really easy for those of us home cooks to feel like we're really chefs. And also, the program has assisted me with lowering my A1C and keeping my weight down. So my doctor is extremely pleased that I've joined this program. Also, our presenters give wonderful information about nutrition. And yesterday I learned that spinach has calcium in it. I didn't know that before. It's just been a wonderful Monday morning, every Monday that we have. And we join with other people who also enjoy the program and have gotten a lot out of it. It's just a lot of fun.
UDC's SNAP education program functions by cultivating community partnerships with various service providers in SNAP-Ed eligible settings. Our partners are a valuable resource and support our research and student internships. SNAP-Ed partners help us reach people where they live, learn, eat, play, and shop in the District of Columbia.
Partnerships are the lifeblood of SNAP-Ed. We need them. We work with teachers and students trying to help change behaviors, all right? Because of the health problems that are going on in DC, the obesity rates, we try our best to have these partnerships to work with these teachers and these students so that we can teach them the food groups, physical activity, food safety, so that they can change behaviors in the children. We need these partnerships. These partnerships are the lifeblood of what SNAP-Ed does. We focus everything we do for the teachers and to the students.
The mission of the UDC SNAP-Ed team is to be in the community helping SNAP-eligible individuals and families. The goal is to help them make healthy food choices within their budget and choose a physically active lifestyle. Those choices are consistent with the current dietary guidelines for Americans and the USDA National Nutrition Guidance System.
The reason I do the SNAP program is I found the need for teaching the community on how to prepare healthy, nutritious meals at a low cost and using minimum amount of equipment. You know, as a trained chef, you know, you can teach all you want in the restaurants, but you're not accomplishing your personal goal, as my personal goal is to go out into the community and teach them. We work with undeserved residents, simple stuff. I go out and I do things that are simple. I do things that are easy. I don't do anything that they will not understand. I don't use language they will not understand versus a chef in the kitchen would understand. A lot of the residents are not familiar with certain, foods on my plate. So we go out and we introduce them to these particular foods. A lot of them will be curious about, I never knew what to do with quinoa. A chef, you just showed me how to work with quinoa and how easy it is. I feel they should be empowered as I'm empowered. So one way to do that is just go out and meet them where they are. They don't have to come up here to the kitchens. They don't have to travel across town. I come to meet them where they are and try to teach them and educate them the importance of eating healthy by using one fruit, one vegetable at a time.
I have really enjoyed the nutrition education program here at UDC. I got to intern with SNAP-Ed, and that was the greatest thing ever. I got to go out and meet children in the community. I got to meet seniors in the community. And now being a full-time employee, I am enjoying it even more. I get to basically have fun at work every day. Every day I'm coming out and I'm doing something that I love. To see the impact and the changes that it makes and how you're prepared in the nutrition program. You know, we had to do a lot of presentations in our nutrition education class that kind of helped us as we would get out into the community and have to actually deliver these programs to the seniors and to the kids and to the parents that we actually partner with. And in doing so, it prepared me to be able to get out and answer some of the questions that the parents have, to answer some of the questions that the kids have. And it's nothing like the impact of coming into the schools and a young one running up to you to tell you what vegetable they ate for dinner last night, or a parent telling you what vegetable their kid asked for in the grocery store. So this has been a huge impact, getting to not only work with them in the after-school programs when I was in my nutrition education course, to now being able to work with them in their day-to-day classrooms, working with the seniors where they live at, seeing the impact that they have, seeing how it affects them when we walk through the door, how they're smiling, how they're excited to see us, and just so happy with the information that we're providing them, with the tools that we're giving them to be successful. And some people have never even cooked before. So to see the impact that this has on the seniors, on the students, on the parents, and even on the teachers has been really great.
UDC-CAUSES SNAP education program is an essential part of our university and city, with well-documented research and benefits for participants. Each day, the SNAP Ed team provides community outreach to city residents who are struggling the most. The research-based programs we offer continue to play a critical role in alleviating food insecurity. We do this work because we get to work directly with the community members and see the differences that we can make in their lives. To see children that get to try a vegetable for the very first time, and maybe at first they looked at it and they were apprehensive or scared to try it, and to see them take that first bite and maybe question it, and then maybe they take the second bite, and by the end they're asking for more, they're asking for seconds, they're going home asking their parents to buy it for them again and make it again at home. Those are some of the reasons that we do what we do. To see our older adults go to the grocery store, maybe take some of the tips that we've shared with them, looking at the nutrition labels at the store, maybe putting back those items that have a little bit more sugar, a little bit more salt in them, and picking ones that have better benefits for their bodies. Those are the reasons we do what we do. To learn more about CAUSES degree programs, workshops, and training sessions, visit us on the web at udc.edu/causes.